Welcome to the video. In this video I'm basically going to show you how you will convert your image to a PNG file. And what a PNG file or image means is that the picture you're using for a mockup, either in PixelLab or any other editing software you use such as Photoshop, is going to be without a background. I've received series of messages from people I sent the mockup to that the mockup is not working. That means they did follow the right procedure, but they added a JPEG image. That means the image as a background. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you convert your image to an image without a background. So go into PixelLab straight away. So what you're going to do is just to click on the add button here and pick from gallery. And pick any logo you want. I'm going to be choosing this one I did just 3 days ago. I'll pick this. Yes, click OK. You scale it out so to fit the size here. This is okay. Basically you can see that this image has a white background. If I use it in the mockup, it's not going to pop out as a real mockup. So what you have to do is to remove the white background on this image, and to do that what you will do is click on this sign here, click on erase color, enable it, and you can see that it doesn't have any background again. Increase the tolerance so that the white shades at the edges will go out. You can see that gradually going out, and that is okay. Another thing you have to do is to make the background transparent. It's going to show a checkered box like white and black. So to do that, just click on this place and click on transparent. Alright, you can see that it's showing the white and black sign now. You are okay. Next thing you have to do is the new text. There's a new text stuff that is showing at the back, so you have to remove that. To do that, just click on your layers panel here, and you can hide it, either hide it or you delete it permanently, and it's gone. And here you can save your work, and to save it, click here, save as image, and see format, JPEG and PNG. PNG means it doesn't have any background, so you're going to just click PNG here and click save to gallery. So that's it for this video, guys. In the next video I'm going to be showing you how you're going to create the mockup. Just follow my procedure and you're going to get it right. Guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment if you don't still understand, and subscribe to my friend's channel at SkyFX. I'm going to drop the link in the description. Thanks for watching.